Welcome. This is how to fix 100 CPU usage PC Windows 11. So first one is restart your PC. So a simple restart often clears background processes that are stuck using high CPU, and this should fix the issue. Another one is check Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift Escape. Under Processes, find which app is consuming the most CPU, and you can just simply close it. Another one is disable startups. So in Task Manager, go for startups and just simply disable unnecessary programs that auto launch when you boot up your PC. Now, another one is update Windows and drivers. So this fixes most of the issues. So just simply go through the settings, go for Windows Update and install any updates. And you could also update your GPU, chipset, network drivers from the official sources. Now, guys, you could also go ahead and run a full scan with Windows Security or your antivirus because sometimes a malware often causes CPU spikes. So guys, remember that if 100% CPU persists, it indicates overheating or failing hardware. There you go. See ya.